How to find the right keyword, the best keyword for your blog post is what I'm going to talk about in this video. Hi there, Tommy Wilson here, thanks for stopping by. So here I am logged into my free Google AdWords account, and you can sign up for free, and the only thing you need is a free Gmail account. You don't have to invest any money in any campaigns or such, but when you have logged in, you simply click here, resources and settings and so on, and then you go down to keyword planner there. Here you can discover new keywords for your products and so on, but I'm going to click here, get search volume and forecasts. Here you can put in one keyword or several keywords, and they need to be comma separated, or you can upload a file with keywords if you have that. Before I put anything in, I want to talk about the keywords, the best keywords for your blog posts, especially if you have a new blog or you don't want to invest in paid advertising and stuff like that. Then you should always go for keywords with a low competition rate. Stay away from the high competition rate keywords and even the medium. And because maybe you think that you don't get enough views on your content by choosing those, because sometimes the low competition keywords maybe only have up to 100 search amount or 70 or something like that, but it's totally worth it because it's easy to rank them. And if you post a lot of content out there following this method, then you could get a lot of views to your blog post, so you don't have to struggle to rank your post. But let's say we want to put in what is blogging, and then you just click on get started. As you can see, it's a low competition rate, and it's between 10 up to 100 searches monthly, so that's the kind of keyword we want. Now you can find low competition keyword regardless what you want to write about. So just use this free keyword research tool. Yeah, so that's what I had to share with you. Would you like a WordPress blog with all the plugins you need to rank your content high and optimize your blog and your content? And would you like to have your own website and build it with easy to use drag and drop builder? Then click the link below for a 14-day free trial. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.